China has on Monday identified the 16th batch of peacekeepers to fulfill a 5-month mission in Sudan. The peacekeepers, who will be in 2 batches, are expected to arrive by the end of July and early August to take up from the 115th Chinese detachment, and of course for more details of that by our Makalo.
The detachment mainly comprises soldiers selected from an engineering brigade of the 82nd Group Army of the Central Theater Command of the Chinese People's Liberation Army. It consists of 1 commander, 2 engineering squadrons, 1 supporting squadron, 1 security guard squadron, and 1 first-class hospital. This is the first time for the brigade to perform peacekeeping missions abroad. The unit has particularly formulated a disease prevention and control plan based on the COVID-19 situation in the Mason area. The troops have taken with them more anti-pandemic supplies, and they had their entire medical staff pass strict examinations of professional skills and basic physical fitness. In the past 4 months, the peacekeepers underwent targeted training according to mission requirements, which include more than 100 practical courses of 3 major tasks of road and field construction, engineering, as well as life support. Xiang Weng, commander of the 16th Peacekeeping Engineer Detachment to Sudan, said they had series of training on different aspects of defense and engineering.
We have mainly carried out realistic simulated training on defense of the camp gate, emergency handling, security guarding and protection, as well as emergency repair and construction of roads. Besides, we have organized logistic and armament support training, including various subjects like water supply, power supply, as well as various engineering and logistic equipment support. We have attached more importance to equipment repair. The equipment is relatively aging since it has been in the service mission area for nearly 11 years.
The war in Darfur is a major armed conflict in the Darfur region of Sudan that began in February 2003. It began with the Sudan Liberation Movement and the Justice and Equality Movement rebel groups began fighting the government of Sudan, which they accused of oppressing Darfur's non-Arab population. The government responded to attacks by carrying out a campaign of ethnic cleansing against Darfur's non-Arabs. This resulted in the killing of hundreds of thousands of people. But according to Sudan's Security General's recent report, the security situation in Darfur is now relatively stable. However, intermittent clashes in the Jebel Mara area between government forces and the Sudan Liberation Army and the intercommunal conflict persist. For iAfrica TV, Sohna Tunkara.